This obviously works. I can go ahead and unplug it, turn off the radio. And it's going to take a box wrench, which I have that right here. We're going to have to undo this. Might as well unplug this from this and get in here. This is the correct box wrench, hex wrench. This end fits. There we go. It must come out farther than this. It is simply it should be just a flat spot I'm digging into here. And there it is. And the flat spot is like this. So as I look at it, it's going to end up like this for this one. And these have to be just right. I'm sure they will align themselves. It is all the way in where it's supposed to be. Let me just snug that and then I'll come back and really beef it up. That's in. All right, wing time. Let's do this. Make it all the way around this thing. Trying to maintain a little distance there so I've got something to reattach so this looks nice. There it is. That's not bad. There's a section over here that's going to need a slice right here and here and there and here. Just a bit of something for it to go in. And on this side I'm going to need a few of them. You're wondering why you need those. I really don't want to have to stretch this stuff that much. Yeah, I know the coating will stretch, but this, you know, it gives you a nice non-stretchy type situation. If you look at this before I even start working this with an iron, it's going to turn out nice. Apparently there's another tool that I have not seen that is like an iron for this purpose. I do not have that tool, so I'm going to use my iron. I'm confident that I can pull that off with an iron. I've already done it with one wing, so here's where we stand right now. Got to iron this up. what I'm going to do is establish a little crease here. See that crease? And a crease on the outside of this. I don't need any bubbles. You see how I'm starting to form that crease there? Right around the very edge. Right on the very top of the surface I'm trying to manipulate. I want that crease there. It makes things easier when you start. Otherwise, this will have a tendency to come back up, and that's no fun, having to deal with a bubble or something like that. So this sort of sticks it down. So when I come back, like on this piece right here, see how nice that is? I don't know if you can see it. Now you can probably see it. See how this is? This is turning out really nice. See? And then the other side, you see this part right here, I put the crease on. Look how nice that is. So I'm going to go around this entire thing. Same gig. That. That looks pretty good. We're going to have this one area down here that's going to be interesting. I'm sure with the correct tool, this could be knocked out in a hurry. With this iron, I'm getting the job done, but it's less efficient. It's kind of just too big of a tool for what I'm doing. It does work. It works good. I started looking at the picture on the box. When they started showing me as I looked ahead, and sure enough, my job's just as clean as that. I can see little slits, so they're using the same technique that I just used. So I'm on the right track. This is nice. What you want to do is you want to pull that stuff into there, and with a smaller tool you could just pull it in. This not so much, but it is working. I think we're good on this one. Most of this is going to be covered up, and the wheel, when it's in there, it's going to kind of fill this up. This is all, there is a cover that goes on this. You're not going to see any of this. I'm still trying to make it a nice job. On to the next step. And since we can't wrap everything up in one video, join me next time when I complete
the build of this beautiful Habu 32X DF jet. We'll see you then on Stu's channel.